Hi, I'm Robert. I'm a threat analyst at ReversingLabs, and today I'm going to show you how to use the advanced search feature of the A1000 platform. When we log in into the A1000 platform, to do advanced searching, which is typical for various hunting tasks, we should go to the search page. On the search page, we have a query prompt into which we type our searches in. One thing to bear in mind is that the advanced search covers a lot of features available through static and dynamic analysis through various integrations Titanium Core has. Advanced search covers simple features such as file identification, classification, antivirus detections, simple metadata queries, as well as more complex boolean operators and array searches. To start off, we can find all samples identified as a Microsoft Word document. We will use the file type keyword and write Microsoft Word after it. This will list all locally available files that have Microsoft Word identification, as you can see here in the format section. It will list all of the shareable files that are present within our cloud and all of the private files that cannot be accessed except for those users that uploaded the private files themselves. To find all Microsoft Word files that are malicious as well, we can use simple boolean operator and add classification malicious. This time, the numbers will drop significantly since we're looking only at those Microsoft Word files that have a classification. So previously, we had around 2.2 million of private samples. Now only 42,000 of them are malicious. If we wish to search for a specific antivirus detection, we can use the AV detection keyword. For example, in this case, we'll try to look for all Emotet files. As you can see, some of these files have already been uploaded to the A1000 platform, and there are many others available in the cloud. This covers the simplest features of the advanced search. However, if one chooses to query more complex items, such as statically available metadata fields, for example, mutexes, one can drill down into specific examples of a specific malware threat. So in this case, we can take a look at a mutex which is present by default in many Poison Ivy remote administration tool samples. Some of the samples are available locally, while again, some others are available in the cloud. To get a list of all available keywords, one can consult with the documentation page. However, as you type in the bar here, you will get auto suggestions for keywords which match what you're looking for. For example, if we wish to look at actors, we can type actor and then write a specific APT group we're trying to locate. In some cases, we will have 0 local matches, but there will be more others in the cloud. One important thing to note is that one can query tags that are emitted by the Titanium Core static analysis platform and seamlessly combine them with other advanced search keywords. For example, we can try to take a look at all Microsoft Word documents that have embedded PE files within them. To do that, we use the file type, like we did just before. Try to look for all Microsoft Word documents, use the Boolean operator and then refer to the tag keyword, which then refers to the metadata exposed by Titanium Core. In this case, we will use the contains PE tag. After some searching, we can see that there's one locally available file, and there will be many others present in the cloud as well. Tags extracted by Titanium Core vary in complexity from simple to more advanced, and they cover generic features which are applicable to many file types to other file type specific features. So in that way, you can query only specific metadata that interests you. For example, Titanium Core detects many malformations sometimes present in email messages. To query specific malformations, one can again use tag and look for a specific malformation of interest. All of these Titanium Core enabled tags are documented as well. This covers some of the advanced search features present on the A1000 platform, but there are many others. Thank you for watching and hope to see you soon.